The Packfire Mesh Face Shield is an accessory for Pacific branded helmets with earmuffs fitted and a front brim, like the R5 Rescue series and the BR9 Standard and Cap style helmets. Today we're using a Pacific R5 series helmet to demonstrate the fitting process. Your mesh face shield will arrive in two pieces, the holder and the face shield. Let's get started by assembling the face shield. Feed the first hook on the holder through the slot in the face shield, ensuring that the face shield is sitting in the channel and it is retained by the holder. Press the circle lug on the holder through the hole in the face shield piece. Attach the face shield to the last hook on the holder, ensuring the face shield part is inside the channel. Now the face shield is assembled, let's fit it to the helmet. First, you need to fit earmuffs to your helmet via the earmuff brackets. Today, we're using the Packfire earmuffs. If you'd like to see how the Packfire earmuffs work, there's another video available showing detailed fitting instructions and features. It's linked in the description box below. Insert the earmuff tongue into the earmuff bracket, push down firmly until you hear it click into place. Repeat on the other side of the helmet. The mesh face shield fits to the helmet by inserting the holder's arms into the slots in the earmuffs. We like to line up the arms first by placing them through the earmuff slot in either side of the helmet. After the face shield is aligned, push the arm of the face shield holder firmly into the slot in the earmuff. Repeat on the other side of the helmet and adjust so the lip of the face shield is sitting against the brim of the helmet. The face shield should be used in deployed position, but can be rotated to sit in a parking position. To remove the mesh face shield, grip the arm of the face shield holder firmly and pull out of the slot in the earmuffs. Repeat on the other side of the helmet. When new, the arms of the face shield may be stiff and difficult to remove when the earmuffs are fitted. We suggest removing the earmuffs and the face shield together if this is the case. To remove the earmuffs, grip the top of the arm, then with your other hand push down on the black plastic tab protruding from the earmuff bracket. Remove when the tab releases. Repeat on the other side of the helmet. With the earmuffs removed from the helmet, the face shield holder arms should slide out of the slots in the earmuffs. Need more info? Head to packfire.com.au. There you will find a full range of spare parts and accessories for the Pacific range of helmets, as well as other helpful downloads and videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more video content.